it's Gary from CoolSmartphone.com, and here we are at Chris's booth, which is made by German AutoLabs. Now, Chris is a in-car assistant that you have never come across before, or likely haven't seen anything about this, but what we'll do is we'll have a little closer look at it now. So this is the Chris car assistant, and essentially it is a all-in-one unit that features a voice assistant with gesture control. It will work in an offline state. It's a very, very high-end design, very premium build material. It comes with your stand, which will mount to your dashboard, and then it will connect via these pogo pins on the back quite nicely, I would say. You also get your cable and a 2-port cigarette lighter charger, and recommended instructions to route it around your windscreen so that it doesn't interfere with your dashboard and your view out of the car. Now, I've just had a little bit of a demo in this car here, and I was shown how it was able to work with incoming texts, responding to incoming texts, phoning contacts, just searching by first name as opposed to the full name, also streaming music, switching between tracks just by a wave gesture across the device. This is obviously a demo unit, so it doesn't do that. And stopping by pulling your hand in and out to turn the volume up and things like that. This product is coming to the market in October. It's off the back of a Kickstarter campaign, and it's going to be £299, and you will pay that £299 and you will get guaranteed updates via the app that you install on your phone. Really, really interesting product, really novel solution to a common problem we have in the UK and also in Europe, where people are driving, their hands are in their phones, and they are not focusing or concentrating fully on the road. So, really interesting idea here from Chris, and one that I'm definitely going to have more of a look into when it comes onto the market. And yeah, that's pretty much all we've got. So keep it glued to CoolSmartphone.com for the next video, and that's the Chris digital assistant. Cheers, guys. Bye.